we present the profound spiritual teachings and philosophies of Srimad Virat Vishwaguru Veerabrahmendra Swamiji to the devotees and seekers of universal welfare. These teachings are elucidated by Brahmashri Madhupu Satyanarayan Vishwabrahma, the founder and president of the United Vishwagayatri Universal Organization, with in-depth explanations and interpretations for the benefit of all. In this process, I offer this message with respect and humility to all devotees who aspire for universal well-being. The sacred truth emphasized by Srimad Virat Vishwaguru Veerabrahmendra Swamiji is this: for over 400 years, I have been cautioning humanity. Yet, people, lost in ignorance and misunderstanding, fail to heed my warnings and consequently suffer from difficulties and hardships. Do not say in the future that you were not forewarned. I am now sharing this sacred message as a precautionary measure so that you can prepare yourselves. From now on, the wrong paths walked so far will no longer continue, and those who persist in unrighteous ways will be exposed. Their own errors will reveal themselves within them, within their homes, and even within their own bodies. These forces of exposure reside within them, making them inadvertently uncover their own wrongdoings, leading to consequences and punishments. Not only in one place but across the globe, conspiracies, deceit, and malicious schemes that people engage in secretly will be uncovered. The forces of exposure are inherently within each individual, so the warning from Srimad Virat Vishwaguru Veerabrahmendra Swamiji is clear: do not engage in selfish and wrongful acts. The influence of deception in Kali Yuga: some innocent people, due to their naivety and ignorance, are easily deceived by the cunning words of manipulative individuals. Many blindly trust deceptive narratives and fail to recognize the underlying deceit, falling prey to blind beliefs. Others, driven by foolishness and greed, become ensnared in traps laid by tricksters. Wealthy individuals, considering themselves intelligent and superior, are often deceived as well. Even the educated and seemingly wise frequently fall victim to deceptions, lamenting their misfortune. All of this is a result of the influence of Kali Yuga's delusions. No one, whether innocent, ignorant, wealthy, or educated, can escape the effects of Kali Yuga's deceitful forces. Unexpected adversities and natural calamities can arise at any time, affecting people without warning. The lives of some may abruptly end without reason or explanation, their souls dissipating into the wind. In the wake of such events, only the remains of their physical bodies, like footprints of galloping horses, will serve as a reminder. Swamiji advises humanity to tread the path of righteousness and mindfulness. Do not fall prey to delusion and ignorance, and do not claim you were uninformed. I have shared this wisdom with you for your safety and guidance. The breakdown of relationships and societal values, the influence of deception will lead to the disintegration of family and social bonds. Children will no longer live harmoniously with their parents, spouses will grow distant, and friendships and kinships will fragment due to conflicts and professional or personal differences. People will find themselves lonely, leading lives filled with fear and isolation, despite their material wealth or social status. Many will neglect proper eating habits, relying on unhygienic, prepared food from outside sources, which will lead to health issues. This culture of consuming unclean and harmful food will extend to all ages, resulting in widespread physical and mental ailments. Global challenges and natural calamities, the forces of nature, indifferent to human-made distinctions of caste, creed, or religion, will manifest their wrath through pandemics, plagues, and natural disasters. Viruses and bacteria, indifferent to race, status, or religion, will claim lives indiscriminately. The destructive impact of human greed, manipulation, and pollution will lead to catastrophic outcomes such as floods, fires, and environmental degradation. Even the atmosphere will become contaminated due to artificial substances, leading to erratic climate changes and unforeseen disasters. Swamiji warns against selfish acts and urges humanity to follow the path of devotion and spiritual liberation. practice righteousness, listen to teachings, share knowledge, and walk the path shown by the enlightened. Technological and astronomical predictions. In the future, some will develop an intense desire to traverse the skies, leading to the creation of vehicles capable of flying through the air like swans. These vehicles will travel at incredible speeds, allowing people to cross vast distances in short periods. Complete solar eclipses will occur, darkening the Earth and revealing stars, planets, and celestial objects during the day, leading to a mix of awe and confusion among humanity. Swamiji concludes with a cautionary note: the forces of Kali Yuga will continue to manifest in various destructive forms, affecting human lives, relationships, and the environment. Yet, by following the path of righteousness and devotion, one can shield themselves from these adversities and lead a life of peace and harmony. All such individuals, sooner or later, will face the consequences of their sins, which will dissolve into the passage of time. Their sins will follow them and persist across lifetimes, relentlessly pursuing them. Once these sinners are destroyed, only then can the virtuous, genuine social servants and true reformers extend their services to the people, and the people will be able to benefit from them. At that time, governments that govern righteously will emerge. As the saying goes, as is the king, so are the subjects. Such rulers will be able to rule with justice and righteousness. When the people lead prosperous lives under such righteous governance, saints, sages, monks, and the innocent will live in happiness and peace. After the world has been purged of all such calamities, misdeeds, sins, deceptions, evil bacteria, and viruses, the earth will experience a period of divine righteousness, characterized by truth, morality, and devotion to God. This phase will resemble the virtues of the Krita Yuga, Golden Age. Over time, you will gradually come to know these truths. Do not fear anything, walk the path of righteousness with courage. You must experience the consequences of your actions, whether good or bad, so be vigilant. As long as you remain under my protection, no deceptive or malevolent forces can harm or influence you. I assure you of my protection, declared Sri Swamiji. Those who have fallen under the influence of evil microbes and viruses known as Kalimaya are unaware of their fate. They do not know what will happen to them, where it will happen, or why it will happen. Across the world, in any country, state, district, village, or household, wherever one looks, one can see the messengers of death guiding people toward the path to Yamloka, the abode of death. Physical and mental battles, illnesses, conflicts with neighbors, and wars on earth, water, air, and in the skies will arise, causing chaos and destruction. Only after such turmoil subsides will humanity understand the meaning of the word Rama. The essence of Rama lies in understanding the mystery of birth and death. To uncover this mystery, one must engage in mental devotion and worship through focused meditation on one's chosen deity, be it Rama, Krishna, or any other incarnation. Today, Sri Veerabrahmendra Swami, too, is engaged in profound mental meditation to protect humanity and guide them on the path of knowledge. Worship is, in essence, a mental act of dedication. Through mental devotion, one purifies their chakras, leading to positive vibrations and spiritual transformation. Hanuman, a devotee of Rama, installed his deity in his heart and achieved immortality through relentless mental worship and devotion. Sri Swamiji encourages everyone to follow Hanuman's example, engage in mental devotion, purify their chakras, and achieve spiritual liberation. In this Kali Yuga, the influence of Kalimaya manifests in individuals from a young age, shaped by upbringing, environment, diet, education, friendships, and past karma. These influences gradually spread throughout the body and mind, revealing themselves in adulthood as various characteristics that persist for life. Such traits may include forgetting their origins, parents, relationships, and the sacrifices made for them. Some individuals, driven by arrogance, disregard their parents' efforts and wisdom, pursuing their own paths while forgetting their roots. Some abandon their parents in old age, only to return after losing everything. Parents, children, and the youth must be instilled with 5 kinds of knowledge: worldly knowledge, awareness of time, self-knowledge, divine knowledge, and spiritual wisdom. When imparted from a young age, these qualities will help individuals grow into humane and righteous beings. Without this foundation, the consequences will be dire, warns Sri Swamiji. The influence of Kali Maya has made people opportunistic worldwide. Outwardly, they advocate for non-violence and ethical conduct, but they exploit every opportunity for personal gain, even at the expense of others. This opportunistic behavior must be observed and understood. Sri Swamiji assures that those who sincerely pray to him will experience his divine radiance, which will purify their chakras and elevate their hearts. Through this divine light, he will govern the world with unity and compassion. In the future, as Kali Maya's influence wanes, Sri Veerabrahmendra Swami's teachings will spread across the globe. To prepare for this, use your wealth wisely and contribute to the propagation of Sri Swamiji's knowledge. Doing so will alleviate planetary afflictions, bring favorable conditions, reduce challenges, and fulfill your desires, leading to daily progress and prosperity.